AudioControl has been helping people make good, sound great in their car for over 45 years. We believe passionately that great sound can elevate your mood, induce happiness, and leave you smiling without even knowing why. Introducing Space Series Subwoofers from AudioControl. These amazing, low-profile woofers are designed to give you maximum low-frequency output, but require less than 4 inches of mounting depth, so they rock out in shallow spaces like a small trunk or under the seat of your truck. But get this, not only do these subwoofers sound amazing, they're also built tough. The structurally rigid, heavy-duty voice coil, rated at up to 600 watts of continuous power, means they can handle even the most intense bass without breaking a sweat. And don't worry about distortion ruining your jams. These subwoofers feature an optimal thermal cooling design to ensure that your bass stays clean and clear. The fiber matrix injection molded polypropylene cone ensures that every note is reproduced to perfection, so you can feel like you're in the front row of your favorite concert. AudioControl subwoofers come with a removable grille to protect your investment. These Space Series subwoofers are now available in 10-inch and 12-inch sizes. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your vehicle's audio game with Space Series subwoofers from AudioControl and get ready for an audio experience that's out of this world.